Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are diving into Google Agentspace, which is an AI powered tool designed to automate almost every business task. So we will learn how you can just automate every task of yours with the help of Google Agentspace. It is one of Google Cloud's newest AI solutions, and here is everything that you need to know about it. So first of all, you will have to open your web browser, and here in the search bar you need to simply search for Google Agentspace. Now once you search for it, you will find the link from Google Cloud and with the name of Google Agentspace. So you need to simply click on it, and then you will be landed on this particular home page. Now we need to understand what exactly is Google Agentspace. So it's a platform that allows businesses to create and manage AI agents. These AI agents can handle daily tasks like managing the data, generating the reports, assisting customers, and much more. So whether you are in HR, finance, marketing, or software development, this tool is built to actually help you. Now if we talk about its top features, so if you go into the solutions, you will see all of these features are given to you by Google Agentspace. If I talk about one of you can actually build your own assistants and fine-tune them for specific job within your company. You can just create multi-step workflows, and if you are someone who is running a startup, managing a team, or just looking to reduce the repetitive work, Agentspace, it might be worth keeping an eye on. While it is still in early access, the fact that Google is actually backing it with the tools like Notebook LM and strong security features gives it real potential in the AI workspace. If we go in the pricing section, you can get started with it for free, and after that you may need to just pay some money, but as of right now you are going to get 300 credits absolutely for free, and after those credits you may need to pay for it. Now here is how you can get started with it. So once you are on this page, simply click on start free option, and then you will be landed on this page. Over here you will have to simply provide your login credentials, and you will be able to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you will have to come back on this page again, and now click on the get started for free. Now over here you will be shown a form in front of you. So this form will look something like this. Here you need to provide your first name, your last name, your business email, your business phone number, job title, company name, select your country, and select which offerings you are interested in. So you need to fill out this form and submit your request or your application. Now once your application is approved, you will have to go through further steps. So here we will be keeping a track of the Google Agentspace, and we will share the updates as soon as it is fully launched. And if you are interested in the real productivity tools and AI that actually works, make sure that you stay tuned. So after filling this form, you will get to know whether you are approved for it, and if you are approved for it, you will get early access to Google AI Agentspace. So if this video helped you out, if you understand Agentspace better, smash that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more reviews and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.